Hey guys, welcome back to the Loveland Yoga YouTube channel. My name is Bobby and this is Anavi, coming to you from our studio in Houston, Texas. And today we have another handstand video for you guys. This one is all about how to fall safely out of a handstand. And I think this is one of the most important things to learn as a beginner because the process of learning handstand, it's really just trying over and over again, falling over and over again, and learning just one little piece every single time that you fall. And especially when we teach beginners, there's a lot of fear around falling. And if they can't ever get over that fear, then they really hit a wall and their progress in handstand starts to just stall out. What we have here is a series of exercises that you guys can work on that'll help build your awareness of how to fall safely out of handstand so that you always land on your feet. Okay? So the first thing to work on, come into a downward facing dog. So if you've taken a lot of vinyasa yoga, you've probably seen this move where you jump from down dog to the top of your mat into a forward fold. Okay, so if you've never done that, that's kind of the first thing to become aware of, just getting used to jumping forward. So show it a couple more times, Anavi. Yeah, simple enough. We'll do one more. Alright, so then she bends her knees, little hop to the front, and she lands with bent knees, so it's a springy landing. Okay? The second exercise to get used to is turning your hips while in the air. Because when you're in a handstand and you start to fall, you need to be able to twist your hips so that you can get your feet to the ground. So to learn to twist your hips while jumping, Anavi's just going to jump from side to side, turning it 90 degrees. So you'll see she'll go one way, bam, see, 90 degrees, she'll jump back, and she'll jump the other way. Yeah, and make sure you guys work on both sides. I want to show one more just to be sure. 90 degree jump, and back, 90 degree jump, and back. Yeah? Okay, now taking it a little further, start to jump all the way 180 degrees. So jump, the hips rotate, and then land. Oops, all the way around, okay, go back. And notice her hands stay facing forward till that last moment where she picks up. Jump, twist, land. Yeah, and it may not always look graceful, but in any fall where you land on your feet is a good fall, right? All right, now we could take this same idea and take it up higher. So Anavi, come into a handstand on the wall. Belly facing the wall, to be specific. Yeah. So she'll walk herself up. All right. Now what she's going to do, she'll start to float off the wall. She'll start to fall, and when she falls, she'll initiate that hip twist so she can bring her feet to the ground. Bam, just like a cat. Yeah. All right. Again, starts to jump off the wall, initiates the hip twist, and down. Okay? And you want to see it one more time from a full handstand? Alright, so she's going to jump up. As soon as she starts to fall, you'll see her hips twist. Up, up. You jump a little harder. Jump. Starting to fall, hip twist, bam, feet. So hope that made sense for you guys. You can start at any of those levels, whether it's just the tiny jumps on the ground, so you just getting used to that feeling of twisting your hips, or building the confidence to take it up higher and higher. Other good things to remember, land with some bounciness in your knees, so you're not like slamming into the ground, you're absorbing that shock when you land. And really just keep doing it over and over so it becomes a reflex, and next thing you know, you fall just like a cat. Always land on your feet. Okay, well, please leave a comment below. Let us know if that's working for you, or if you have any questions regarding that. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe because we have a lot more on the way.